Hi.
Let's reverse diabetes.
Yes, together we cure the world.
Reversing diabetes with the right knowledge, not medication. Are you here because you have someone in your life who is a diabetic?
I became free diabetics.
6个月，然后我一成功就是把这个 HbA1c 从8.3到就是逆转到5.7，然后我最近在做一次 test， 已经降到5.3。
I'm happy now. I don't need to take any medication.
I think Dr. Andrew is doing a very good job for the society.
I started May this year. Then by the fourth month, I actually reduced weight by the 16 kilo.
It's very surprised. The third week, I stopped all the medicine.
Clinixero.